Hi guys. Last class we discussed decorator concepts. Today we will discuss about what is the built-in decorators in Pythons. So mainly they are defined. Mainly we I know that built-in decorators in Pythons. These are the 10 decorator I have used. We can use. One is the class-based decorator. Just I will explain the each and everything's one an example, but now I'm explaining uh, class-based methods and abstraction method and statics method. There are three decorator built-in decorator I will explain, and where we are using these decorators. Those concept I will explain. There are 10 decorators is there, so remaining next class I will teach. Okay, now I can go ahead and class-based decorator. What is class-based decorator? Theoretically we can say as a class methods that have observed the particular classes. Those methods in our we can say as like method since try to any instant classes, then we are calling as a built-in decorator. For example, I have written on programs class we need to return one class. For example, I have written the good one of the class. Okay, in these classes we are defining one values, class values. I think the values you are aware of. This is inside class values. What we are getting, defining one function. Display is one of the functions we are defining. Just we need to call as a cls means class base methods we need to call. Okay, for example, I have display method I have written, and then I am printing the values. Anil, sorry, this is a uh, class based decorators. Okay, this is class based decorator. Just I am printing this values, simply displaying the values. Okay, just I display values, and I will add what is class method. Okay, what is the output you are getting expecting. Okay, just we can run and we can see it how it is working. Just python and just b can type and then tab it, and then it will be give the result. See, we not get any results because why means we not call the classes, right? Just I call like that directly. What it will get, we'll see. What we get, we not call, we not create any objects and any functions. Just name I will create, I can call, I'll print name. What we are getting, if we get result, see, this is address we got. Okay, in this memory address we got. So now we need to call the function dot display. I need to print. See, you are seeing, right? Sorry, I have just given outside. See, value it will getting is none is there, but we class based values we need to print means we can print here like kind of cls dot this class value. Now it is what getting, sorry, I miss one f. I will teach you what is f. I will teach you later. Just you can use. See, this is the value we have get. Okay, like that we can use a class based method. This is built-in decorator. Okay, anywhere you can see. For example, again I will one create one function that is also working something. Name I given, just a reference name I given. I am just adding here one display method. This is working good, but here I will call cls in the sense that values we are calling. Okay, the objects cls dot values, class based values. This value we can access any function because that is class based values. See here we call this particular functions. Now I call another one working functions I will call, so it will be display as a second values also. So for here mix here, see here 10 10 yes, 10 10 here use directly we call, and class method we need to